Mother's Day today, and Mother's Day is 2 weeks from yesterday, okay? This year, the National Retail Federation says Americans will spend more than $31 billion on mom. That is up more than $3.5 billion from last year. Comes out to about $245 per person. Flowers, always a popular gift, but they die, right? So you want to get mom some flowers that might last a whole lot longer. The folks over at Twigs and Figs always have great ideas for us. Trina, welcome back. How are you?
Good, thank you so much.
We're so glad to have you back. Everything you have here on the table is so cute. But let's talk about flowers, because I struggle with flowers. Sometimes I don't like to receive flowers because I feel so badly that they've died and whoever sent them spent so much money. So dried flowers are a really nice option.
Dried flowers, they're preserved. They look a little bit different from their original form. The color is usually richer in a different way. I like playing with dried flowers in different ways. You can see here we made some pressed florals. And one thing I like about dried flowers, they change with you over time, but they evolve into something elegant, just in a different way.
I feel like there are so many more options too with dried flowers now than maybe there were before. It was like just one weird twig that you'd pull out of a bin at a big store, and now there's so much more.
There's so many things. This Mother's Day weekend at our shop, we're going to have a dried flower bar. So it's going to be tons of different options. You can pick out what makes you happy, pick out a vase, and start building your own bouquet that's going to last pretty much forever.
But can we go back to this frame for a second?
Yeah.
This is something that folks can make?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about that.
So on Saturday, the day before Mother's Day, we're going to be having a class where you can make a pressed flower arrangement. So we'll have different frames available, flowers available, paper available, and all you do is you're going to arrange them, press them into the frame that we have provided for you, and you can make so many different arrangements. You can make it unique. It's a different version of a Mother's Day card.
I love that. I love that frame too. That is so cool. You can put all kinds of things in there.
It comes with a little string. I love it.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, so you have some options here. Tell me about these little guys before we go to
Yeah, they're cute little succulents. They're little jade plants. And the reason I bought these pots is because, again, on that Mother's Day weekend, we're going to have a class where you can paint your own planters. So one for you, one for mom, and we can kind of guide you through the creative process, and you can make whatever makes you happy and put a little plant in there. And again, flowers die, but these plants can last a really long time too.
I just planted some succulents over the weekend, and I'm so excited about them. So this is really cool because they will last in a really unique way. When you talk about what makes you happy, this one right here is making me happy. I love this one.
I know, I love it too. The colors, the rosiness. I am a sucker for anything that gives me like rose, mauve tones. I love it.
Very cool. All right, want to put something together while we're here? Look at this vase,
I brought these little options. Yeah, this is Mom, You Are the Best.
Mom, you are the best.
They're going to be available at our shop that weekend. And I pulled out a couple for you. You can pick out which ones make you happy. I like going for the whole bundle, and you can stick it in there. Do you want to help me build this?
Yes, I do, but I wouldn't even know how to start that, which is why it's great that you guys do classes.
Trial and error. Trial and error is what it is.
Do you want sort of that, like, you want some height?
Yeah, exactly. That's why, see, these ones that I picked right over here, you can place them. Place them in the front right there so you get some kind of, a shorter vibe. There's different textures.
I like how
and then this one, they look like little button mushrooms.
Those are cute.
They're so cute. It brings in a different color. Here, I'll give you a little bundle. I'll grab a little bundle.
Gosh, these are cool.
And just stick them wherever you think it could look cute. The thing about dried flowers bouquets is you can change them up. You know, when I make my bouquets, I like to change them. Let's say like a couple weeks pass, and you can change how they look just by rearranging them.
Oh my gosh. Now, these don't smell, do they still?
These don't, but the day of the bar, we will have different options that are scented. We're gonna have lavender bundles that smell so beautiful.
Oh my gosh, I love lavender so much, and that can chill mom out.
Exactly. Because moms need to, they deserve something calm, something relaxing. This is a really good activity you can do with your mom because it's not only creative, it's not stressful. It's not stressful at all.
Look how cute we did. I like how it's like bonk and then ding, ding,
Yeah,
ding, ding.
I love it.
That's
Some
it.
delicateness.
Is that the
and-
official term when you
Yeah,
arrange?
bonk.
Bonk
is
and then
the official
ding, ding, ding,
term.
ding.
I love it.
Shayna, if people want to come to the classes, do they have to sign up ahead of time?
So yes and no. We
Okay.
have walk-ins available for the dried flower bouquet bar all day, all weekend for Mother's Day weekend. But then we also have classes that I encourage y'all to sign up for in advance because they fill up really quickly. So the painting classes, there's the pressed floral classes, and some other bouquet classes. Definitely sign up. May 7th and May 8th. I'm so excited to meet y'all and your moms. It's gonna be so fun.
I love that. I keep going back to that frame because you could put so much in there with the dried flowers or dried
know.
flowers that have meaning. Oh my gosh.
I know.
I love it. Okay, thank you for coming to see us.
Thank you so much.
Come back anytime. Such pretty
Awesome.
stuff. Look, even John Carter, look at this pretty purple one.
That looks terrific. I'm telling you what, those are some great ideas.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I really
Purple's my
like
favorite
that.
color.
Oh, wow.